Next, I'll demonstrate the running stitch. Using 2 strands of color number 4, bring needle up on the left side, take it forward. Again, come up on the left side ahead. Take it down at the end. Complete the remaining line following these steps. Running stitch is simple and commonly used. Take it down. Let's look at the result. Now let's look at this line below. Using 6 strands. Using 6 strands of color number 1. Above was a simple method. Now I'll teach another method. First, come up on the right side. Take it down at the line end ahead. Come up vertically forward. Then take it down at the end again. You can make 2 to 3 stitches at once. Stitch continuously. Compared to the previous method, this might be a bit harder. With some practice, it becomes easy to master. Final stitch down. Let's look at the finished result.